Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And the timeline, it will be down in the description of that video. So, go choose the new trading style, and the timeline, it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them is down in the description of that video, because in Telegram and Discord we give even free signals there. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here, that the daily candle here finished a big dump happening today after that FOD or the fraud were happening about or the lies were happening about Binance from the SEC, because Binance still now they said they haven't get any information. Only the media and the newspapers they get in the middle the information before them. But that Gary Gensler of the SEC, that one he losing the war against XRP. Now he going to Binance. He doesn't know one thing. Binance they got money more than him, because he want to keep his job, and he losing his job till now, and there is nothing to catch with Binance. He just tried to bring lies, and you need to be sure about that, guys. Any war against Binance is the war against all the crypto industry, because Binance now is the biggest crypto exchange in the world. So you need to be focused about those things, what I'm telling you here. That about why that big dump happening here today. But here technical analysis also being saying that from when we used to be here in the top, we tell you also we are going down till that level here, and we show you exactly. We told you here just buy only 20% from your capital. Now us everything going like how us we accepting that. You can go back and watch our previous videos and all that it leading us to that. And here in the daily we still have here that triangle here as you see it. Today candle, let's break it down. That it's indicating us we are falling down. But me personally, I will tell it to you guys what I'm going to do. Me, that's my plan. That's how I trade. That's how I do it. You, if you want, is up to you. If you don't, it's up to you. Me from that level here, that one here, we are near to buy, but it doesn't. And I got another order here exactly. And the last order, which is down here at the 200 moving average, like that, is like a DCA way, because I know the Bitcoin, that dump is the last dump before the big or the major pump. That way me, I try to buy as much as I can of Bitcoin those days. So even you do the same. Forget about all the FOD or the lies or the fraud or everything it's happening online. Just focus about your goal. Try to benefit from the market now, because you are in a discount, guys. In 2018, the Bitcoin it fell down to 3K, and those people they wasted till now they still in profit. The people they buying at that time till now they still in profit. So the same thing for you now. Me, I'm talking here about long-term traders. And here, look at that. That's what us we telling you in the last video. We told you the 100 moving average here. The 50 moving average is going to cross it here, and the Bitcoin is going to go down till it will touch in here the 200 moving average. I told you when it's going to be touched here by 50% from your capital. How much you need to buy? Only 50% from your capital, because when we used to be here, look at it, it's very clear telling us the Bitcoin is going to fall down. Now also we are going down to here, to that one here, that 200 moving average. Try to buy from there 50% from your capital. If it fall down more, we will buy. Why me? I told you here, I'm going to show you that. People they've been with us now for some time, they remember that. But you, if you just came now here, I'm going to show you why. If you came here, you remember what us we saying here. We said we got here a very clear up channel here like that, and from here That the top of it, like that. We said when the Bitcoin is going to be touched here, we need to buy, and that's what me I told you. Is going to touch it here. That's what me I told you. Another thing, last Friday, what else we told you here in the daily? We came, we doing two levels together. At two levels, they are the levels of the options. As you see it, we set the first level here in the top. That where is the calls. 29k, and down here is it at 25k. Why? Me I told you maybe it's going to be a jump from here because that candle will happen today. What is it? The candle of what? It's the candle of Monday, guys. Remember that. Don't never forget and try the media and those things to mislead you. Everything is too clear. And another thing, I tell it to you before here in the daily. What is it? Here in the daily, you remember what else? Why else we buying from 15k, guys? Why? I'm going to tell you why. You remember what else we said here? I told you guys, also we buying from here from 15k because of one thing. That very clear wake off pattern. And when we break in here, I told you it's need to fall down to touch it here. When we used to be here, I told you that. You can find it in the last videos. You can go back and watch all our channel. You're going to find that. We told you the Bitcoin is going to fall down to touch here. That level. Then from here, it's need to go up to break for us that one. And that is going to tell us that the bottom of the Bitcoin. Yes or no? What's happening now? Look at it. The Bitcoin is doing exactly what us we said. Is going to touch here, that level here. Same thing. Then here in that level, us we're going to see if we are going to break higher or no. Everything is too clear, guys, here. That's it for the daily. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. Here we are at the coming news for today, guys. As you see it, but the news which is coming today, we don't got something very special today. We just got that one, the interest rate of the Aussie, and that one it will not affect a lot the Bitcoin. Plus we got here that one of the USA, that is short-term energy outlook. Even that one it will not affect a lot the Bitcoin. So I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to make it too big here. And that one here is our friend at the table of us. We're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us till now. Monday candle, guys, it closed what? Red. What that indicating to you, guys? People they been with us for some time. Monday candle, what it indicating to you when it closed red like that? It's indicating we're going to see a very bullish week, guys. That's what it's indicating, that candle here. Everything is too clear. And here is our friend. Look at it. Is the VEX. What it telling us? The VEX. The VEX is telling us the scarness. It's very low. Also, we are 14. We are below than 20 by a lot, guys. So for stocks, investors, try to this. You are in a very nice levels. Also, me personally, I buy very low. But you, if you just came now, try to buy as much as you can of the SP 500 of the Nasdaq, depending on what capital and how much capital you have. I think everything is too clear, guys. And here, look at US dollar today. What it doing? 103. It fell down from 104, and the Bitcoin it falling down. What that indicating? There is something not right. Yes or no? I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, people they been with us, they make very nice profit with us. We enter short from here, from the double top here. Yes or no? People they been with us, they remember that we enter a short from here exactly. Look where we are now. Yes or no? The last video what me I told you here. Exactly here. I told you we got here a flag like that. By the way, that flag, it's breaking in 30 minutes. People, they are in my Telegram channel. I give them a signal to enter exactly in that one. And the take profit, it was here. Exactly here in that low here. It's bring it exactly for us. By the way, if you are in my Telegram channel, smash that like button. Tell them, yes, I give you a signal there. And you, if you haven't joined us in Telegram or Discord, you can join us now. The link of them is down in the description of that video because we're giving there more in-depth analysis than here. So now here at that level where we are, what should we do? Should we enter long? Because here at that level here exactly down, we got here a weekly and a monthly pivot. That means it's very stronger compared to here. Yes or no? We got here a very stronger level here at that place where we are. Should we enter long, guys? Here at that level here, should we enter long? Look what I'm going to show you here, what you have. You came here, you do it like that. You see it or no? And you came here to the top of those ones and you do it like that. What you got here? A very clear megaphone here. That one, if it go up and break in here, that level here, yes, you can enter long. But now, should you enter long at this time? At this time, no, my friend, there is no entry long yet, because here we don't got any price action. People they been with also teach you what I did I teach you before. When a falling knife is falling, what we need, it's need to touch the floor or the soil. Then from there it's need to bounce like that. That falling knife here, it's falling. It is bounce, not yet. It's need to bounce to give us a price action like here. Yes or no? Now here, look with me here what I'm going to show you. First wave, sideways. Second wave is going to happen here as sideways. Either is going to make a charge wave, or from here, from that level here, is going to reverse. How else we going to know is it the charge wave or is going to reverse? We need to wait in the price action. The price action is the king. Like here, I give you that flag here. Also we follow it, it's broken down, it's bring exactly the take profit now. Now also we still wait, and people they enter from here, from the double top here, that one here, or from that flag here. There is no need to take all the profit now. Also we tell you just take 50% now and move the stop loss to break even. That's it. You are not going to lose nothing, because if it fall down more, fair enough. If it give us here a price action, the market is going to reverse. We're going to close all the short. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, look at it. Look at it, that the power of our indicator. We've been here at the overbought area. It fall down here to the oversold area. People, they are with me for some time now. They knowing that indicator is entered to the oversold area. Me, I'm looking for buy. Should we buy now? We need just a small price action in the chart telling us we need to buy. That's it. That trend line here is getting blocked very powerful, so we don't need it anymore now. Let's delta together. Like that. Now we don't need it anymore. Now we got a small trend line like that here. You see it or no? That one we need to be focused about it when it's going to get broke, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So now also we are here at the oversold area. Should we enter long? Remember that. No, my friend, we don't need to enter long. We need a price action, a double bottom, a triangle, something like that for us to enter long. At this time there is nothing, so there is no entry. What? Long. Remember that. Let's go to see our other indicator what it's saying, guys. That one here also we enter short, because we used to be here. We used to have here a double top. We used to have here the top of that channel here, that one here. Now here, let's see if we are in the lower of that channel, as we said or no. Not yet. It might from here is going to fall down more than that, guys. Yes or no? Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. Should we take profit and we enter long? Not yet. We need to wait more, because we need a price action. The most important part is the price action. If you remember in the last video, watch me, I told you when we are here. I told you it's going to fall down more. Look at it where we are. Yes, us here, I tell it to you, us we are here in a very stronger level. I told you is weekly and monthly pivot. Should you enter long? No, those ones they are just levels. You can't base your trade based on levels. You need to focus it about the price action. Without price action there is no success, because look at it. All those price action we've been talking about in that channel, all of them they stay in here. Yes or no? They haven't repented themselves. All those levels they are here, all of them they getting broke. Look at it. That level here. You see it or no? That one here. That one here. All those levels they getting broke, guys. That's why me I told you don't follow levels. Base your trade on price action, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you, yes you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us. You know that channel without you it can't growing up, guys. Yes, you, without you and you and you. That channel it can't growing up. So please, guys, support us by just smashing the thumbs up which is down. Smash it. Write down a comment. That's the only help we're asking you for. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here we are in Telegram and Discord. We used to have here that level here. It's getting give us here a fake breakout here, and also we being followed. Then over here, exactly here, also we enter a short here, exactly from that candle here. Take profit. That candle here will bring it for us. That's the power of our analysis, guys. From here we enter exactly. Me personally entering it, and you can find it in our Telegram channel. Now here at that level here, in lower time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, we got here a head and shoulder here. But here in 30 minutes, we don't got nothing. Here in 30 minutes, you can just come to that one here. You see it, how I'm going to draw it. Like that. And you wait in a trend line. Because short, you are short in it already. As we said, when we are here, when it's touching for us the take profit, I told you guys don't take profit now. Take only 50%. Now here, you need to wait in that one to get broke here for you to enter long. If it doesn't, that means the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area. Level us, we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter long? No, my friend. We need a price action now here. The Bitcoin here, it tried to bounce here. But we need to wait it to bounce more. And we're going to update you in our Telegram or Discord channel today. Everything is too clear, guys? Well, that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.